Ever wondered how much you can actually withdraw from your Stashway investment? It's a question that often pops up, especially when you need quick access to your funds. Let's dive right in and unravel the mystery. Understanding Stashway. Before we delve into withdrawal limits, let's quickly recap what Stashway is. It's a popular investment platform that allows you to invest in a variety of assets, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. The platform is designed to simplify investing, making it accessible to both novice and seasoned investors. Withdrawal limits, a closer look. Now, the big question, how much can you withdraw? Well, the answer isn't straightforward. It depends on a few factors. Account type. Regular investment account. This is the standard account type where you invest regularly. Here, you can typically withdraw up to a certain percentage of your total investment balance. This percentage can vary, but it's usually quite high, often around 90% or more. Tax-advantaged accounts. These accounts, such as retirement savings accounts, RSAs, have specific withdrawal rules governed by tax laws. The withdrawal limits and penalties can be more stringent, so it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions. Withdrawal frequency. Stashway doesn't impose strict limits on withdrawal frequency. However, excessive withdrawals can impact your investment returns. It's generally recommended to avoid frequent withdrawals, especially if you're investing for long-term goals. Consider setting up a systematic withdrawal plan to automate your withdrawals and maintain a disciplined investment strategy. Processing time. Stashway typically processes withdrawals within a few business days. However, the actual processing time can vary depending on factors like bank processing times and holidays. Tips for smooth withdrawals. Plan your withdrawals, anticipate your future needs, and plan your withdrawals accordingly. This will help you avoid impulsive decisions that could harm your investment goals. Check your account balance. Always verify your account balance before initiating a withdrawal to ensure you have sufficient funds. Review withdrawal fees. Some platforms may charge fees for withdrawals. Familiarize yourself with Stashway's fee structure to avoid unexpected costs. Consider tax implications. Be aware of the tax implications of withdrawing from your investments, especially if you're withdrawing from tax-advantaged accounts. Emergency fund. Maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This will reduce the need to withdraw from your long-term investments. Stashway offers a flexible withdrawal system that allows you to access your funds when needed. By understanding the factors that influence withdrawal limits and following best practices, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free withdrawal process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.